Guys, welcome to this other tutorial. So here we are going to see how we can realize this simple church flyer design. This is a church flyer design, very simple one for that matter. So I'll just take you through on how we can design this. So firstly, we'll go to our pixel app. Okay, so let me import the design so that we'll be following up from there so that we won't miss any of the elements. Okay, so we want to make sure that our image size is 1280 by 1280 because that's the size of this design. So secondly, we'll bring in our background. So as you can see, that background there is a gradient color. We are going to create the gradient color background. So I'll click on this plus sign, and for this first bar I'll click on the color tool. I'll click the color picker tool. So now I'll be choosing this thick background. Yeah, this layer, this area, that's what I'll be choosing here. Thing is black. Okay, and for the second bar I'll be choosing this. Let me take this. Okay, so looking at the top of your screen, you see another 6 square shaped bars. From there you can choose any of them, it depends. That is to give you the gradient distribution of the colors. So the first one we orientate that way, the second one we orientate this way, same with this one. So this now I'll just send this one this way and send this one this way because I want the orientation to be in that manner. Yeah, okay, so this one I have. Now I want this thicker area to come really close here. Okay, so we have something like this, but we still need to work again on that background. We need to work again on it. So I'll bring in a flare, a light flare. So this is the light flare we shall be using. You can go on Pinterest and just type light flare. Yeah, we have so many of them and try and download. Okay, now this one now I'll position it here at the top. Then I will copy it. I place it here. I want to increase the intensity. Copy this one as well. Make sure I expand well and place here. So I'll just copy a lot of them. For this one, I'll reduce the opacity. Still copy this and place here. Okay, make sure I close all of this. Okay. Looking at this, first of all, you have to put the logo of the church. So I'm assuming this is the church logo. So I'll just place there and make sure it is well centralized. The Church of Pentecost, that's the name. So I'll type in the name of the church. Church of Pentecost. Okay. Let me try and bold it. This what is down PIWC Cape Coast. So I'll click on this and copy and it just exits. Okay, so the next thing now is present. For that presents that color used there, I think it's an orange color. Come here, choose on this color. I think that's the color used there. Minimize and place to at the center. Let me increase the size a bit to 15. Okay, now you come to the theme. The theme there is in his presence. So first of all, I'll just type in presence. Then the font I'll be using here is the belt titling font, this one. Okay, so now typing in his presence. In his. So which font was used for this one? Let me change the color first to yellow. Which font was used here? No. Which font was used here? Let me just use any of these fonts. Let me use this one, Prof. This italics font. So now come to shadow and I reduce the blur radius of the shadow to 5. Okay, it's now, yeah, it's well visible now. Then I would like that this font is a bit longer. Look at this one. Let me put it here. Okay, in his presence. So the theme, the church on fire, Leviticus 6:8. So that's the theme now. But first, let me take this one up a bit. Let me just take this one up. Okay. The theme is the church on fire. Okay, Leviticus 6:18 to 19. Okay. So which font was used here? Let me see. For me, we use this one, Montserrat bold. This font. So you see that theme there is in yellow. So I'll come here. I will highlight only the theme that I choose the yellow color. Choose a yellow color. Okay. And it is placed in a shape. So make sure the theme itself is aligned in the middle, and I'll create that shape. I'll go to my shape tool, choose a shape there, put the radius at 1, reduce the opacity to 0, the stroke width at 1, the stroke color, we choose yellow for the stroke color. Okay, so make sure that this shape encloses the theme. Okay, so what's left now is the date, right? Tuesday and Thursday. So we have Tuesday. So which font type will I choose? Montserrat Light. Let me choose this one. Reduce and place here. So what's the date there? 29 June, right? 29 June. Okay, so I will use the same font type. June to July 1st. Okay, so the other day now is Thursday. Now look at that shape where that 2021 is. That shape is not a pure rectangular shape. Yeah, it has one curve. It's like one of the edges is being curved. I'll show you how to create that effect. First, before you go to your shape tool, click on the shape. Yeah, you make sure that you measure the shape very well. You click OK. You copy it and you click on edit. With this now you change the color to any color. Then now you go to radius. You go to radius. You increase the radius to 20 to 30. Okay, increase the radius to 30. Make sure that this is well centralized. These two sending at the center. Okay, now the blue one, you send the blue one behind this one. Make sure you close all of this. Send that blue one behind this one. Then you click on this blue one now. Now you go to your erase tool. Increase your eraser. Sorry, you are clicking on the white shape instead. Go to your erase tool. Increase your eraser a bit. Now you erase this portion. Only this portion. Okay. So now you mesh the two shapes. Will become one shape. Now you go now to color. You change the color. Yeah, to that is a gradient color is being used there. Let's see if we can get that gradient color. Use my color picker to so yeah, I'll choose I want to choose a color at the edge. Okay, then for this one now we'll choose the color at the middle. I'll take the color at the middle. Okay, so it'll be something like this. Okay, so now place here and I reduce. Okay, I think it's okay that way. So what do I need to put there? 20, we're in 2023, right? So put 2023. Click OK. And then now for the font type, I'll use the same one, WepTech. If you don't have that font, you can just download and install your Pixel app. I'm taking my time so that we see all the techniques I'm using. Okay, so we have something like that. What's the other one? The session, right? I want to make sure that all of this is at the center. Okay, the other heading there is session. Okay, so I've used the same gradient color. Reduce the size to 25. I'll place it at the center. Oh, before that, there is a line up here. The color of this is this. Let me send it down a bit. Okay, so now let me just close this and put in the other text. Okay, so I've just input the other text. Yeah, so we have just done a simple design here. So what needs to be done? If you look here, you see some, some some dots here. These ones. Let me create that. How many of them are there? Let me just create something of that sort. So I'll come to my text where I have full stop on my keyboard. Just click on it. I think let me take 5 or 7. Okay. So yeah, now go to my font, and I take this for Monstera Lights. That's what I'll be using. Then I come now to line spacing. I reduce the space. Okay, I come now to spacing itself and increase to 30. Okay, so we are good to go, and I place here. Yeah, so I think that's all. Yeah, I think at least we have done something similar to that. If you look under that presence, we see a light effect there. Let me just import it. So this is the effect. I'll crop out the portion I need. Let me take this color. Okay, so this will increase it a bit, and I'll place here. Yeah, I think it's okay this way. Since we are done with this, let me just close this. So that in his presence, let me bring it up a bit. Okay, so this is just a simple flyer design that we have did, and I will go ahead to save this, and after saving I will enhance the diagram. The reason why I'm enhancing the diagram is for it to look like a real photoshopic design. Yeah, because when you enhance this diagram, there will be no difference, you know whether it was actually designed with Pixel App or Photoshop. So right here we'll go to our Snapseed. Oh yeah, Snapseed. Okay, so I'll go now to the curve. I'll bring it down a bit. I'll just follow the same pattern. I'll go to details, increase the structure, also increase the sharpening to 100. Then go to tune image, the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the ambience, and the highlight. Okay, so we are good to go now. You need to do is to click on export and save. Okay, so this is our final design. Yeah, I want you to take note of something. Yeah, all you need to do at this level is just to learn the tricks. Yeah, because I will not do all designs with you. Just learn the tricks I'm using with Pixel App so that you take in your own practice time, you take any design of your choice. You try and, since you know all the tricks, just try and apply them and you see how you can do different designs, because I'll just be choosing but some designs and practice with you, but it is left on your responsibility to keep on practicing till you master. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.